We often dream of expensive gardens and sprawling decks for our outdoor gatherings. But there is a special, often overlooked space that holds incredible potential: the balcony. It is a transitional zone, a piece of the outdoors that is intimately connected to the heart of our home. And the single most transformative element you can add to this space isn't a plant or a light, but a piece of furniture that redefines its very purpose: the wooden picnic table. There is something inherently communal and joyful about a picnic table. It is not about a table and chairs. It is a unified structure designed for gathering. Its very form suggests conversation, shared meals, and a relaxed, informal connection. Bringing this classic symbol of parks and gardens into a balcony is a powerful act. It is a declaration that this small space is not just for looking out from, but for living in. The choice of material is crucial here. While metal and plastic are options, wood brings a unique soul to the compact urban landscape. A wooden picnic table has a natural warmth that softens the hard lines of building facades and railings. It feels organic and grounded. As the seasons change, the wood does too, silvering in the sun and darkening in the rain, telling the story of a year lived in the open air. It is a living piece of furniture that connects your high-rise haven to the natural world below. The functional benefits are as compelling as the aesthetic ones. A picnic table is a marvel of space efficiency. Instead of navigating individual chairs around a separate table, you have a single fixed footprint that maximizes every square inch of your balcony. The integrated benches can often be tucked completely underneath when not in use, clearing the floor for plants or movement. This makes it the perfect centerpiece for a small space, providing dedicated seating without the clutter. But the true magic of balcony picnic table lies in the experience it creates. Imagine a weekend morning where this table becomes your personal café. The sun is warm, the city is slowly waking up, and you have your coffee and book right there in the open air. The table is no longer just furniture, it is a sanctuary for a quiet moment. Now, imagine that same table in the evening. It is transformed. A few candles in jars, a simple meal, and it becomes an intimate bistro for two, a place for conversation that stretches into the twilight. It is a platform for hobbies, a stable surface for potting plants, a perfect spot for a board game or a makeshift desk for those who wish to work with a breeze and a view. It invites you to use your balcony not as a storage area, but as a true outdoor room, an extension of your living space. The style of the table can define the entire character of your balcony. A design made from clean, light wood like pine or cedar with simple straight lines creates a modern Scandinavian feel. It is airy and uncluttered, helping a small space feel larger. In contrast, a table built from thicker, reclaimed timber with a more rustic, robust finish brings a cozy, cabin-like charm to the city. It feels sturdy, permanent, and deeply comforting. Ultimately, integrating a wooden picnic table onto a balcony is about more than just adding furniture. It is about changing your relationship with the space. It's about choosing to create a destination for simple pleasures right outside your door. It is a commitment to dining under the sky, to sharing stories in the fresh air, and to carving out a small piece of pastoral peace in the heart of an urban environment. It turns your balcony from a ledge into a landing place, a tiny, private park in the sky, built around the simple, enduring appeal of a wooden table. The possibilities for personalizing this concept are endless. I am curious, which style resonates more with your vision? The clean, modern look for an airy feel, or the rustic solid wood build for a cozier retreat? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy decorating.